Guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be showing you guys my current wash day routine, and when I say current I mean current because we are at home and we are in quarantine and it's only going to be right now, and I'll probably give you guys a more updated version of my hair washing because I do put my hair washing in the videos, but I don't usually say anything. I just do little transformation videos, but I'm going to give you guys a detailed wash day routine. My wash day routine is not crazy at all. It's very simple, but I just want to show you guys the products I use and just show you guys the steps I take to wash my hair, like the full hair washing experience for me. So a recent portion that has recently been added to my wash care routine is me having to scrape and scratch my scalp. Before, we have had to scratch my scalp because I have recently in the last year developed dermatitis, and I do think I had it when I was a kid because my hair used to, when I was younger, I remember at one point in my life all of my hair fell out, and I think when I tell people that they don't believe me, but I remember when I was younger my hair fell out and I was bald, not fully bald, but I look like Cynthia off of Rugrats. So I don't know if I had it when I was younger or if it's new, because I know when I was natural before I got locks, I used to wash my hair like a normal person. I wash my hair maybe once a week, maybe once every week and a half to 2 weeks, but it never went longer than 2 weeks sometimes, and most times never a week and a half. But when I got locks, you guys know, if you have locks, and most of you guys do, that now we wash our hair every 2 weeks to really once a month. And honestly, most lock people wash their hair once a month because you have your styling. I'm not about to, you know how hard it is for locks to, once you wash your locks, your hair is not done, and you're not about to be getting your hair done every 2 weeks. So you all know what it is. So I developed dermatitis, and which is I'll put it on the screen, but dermatitis is a form of eczema, or a type, it's not psoriasis, but it looks like psoriasis. It's kind of like psoriasis, but I have flaky patches on my scalp. So those don't just come off when I wash my hair. If you wash away dandruff's gonna just wash away and peel off. But some of them are stuck to my scalp to where we have to actually scratch them off. And then also some of them are stuck underneath the base of my locks. So we really have to make sure that we remove all of that dermatitis patches off of my scalp before I wash it, because honestly, if you don't scrape them off, you're just gonna wash over top of them. They're gonna be there again and again. And on top of that, with locks being the type of style that my parts are always showing, my scalp is always exposed, I can't have my scalp looking like that. That's a hot mess. So that is a very big part of my updated wash day routine that I have to do that. That's not even a choice anymore. Personally, in this portion of the video, I'm washing my hair in the kitchen sink because it is too hectic for me to wash my hair in the shower. I've had locks for 2 years, and I've washed my hair in the shower twice in 2 years. Personally, it doesn't work for me, especially thick locks. It doesn't work for me. So I prefer to wash my hair in the kitchen sink, and yeah, that's it. So I want to show you guys the products that I use to wash my hair. So a new product that I've been using is this right here. This is a shampoo. This is I don't know how to say it, Nizoral, I don't know, but this is what it looks like. And I'll take it out the box. This is new to me. It's kind of expensive considering this little bottle was 15 bucks and then the bigger bottle was $22. And I got it to try it out. It's my first time using it, so I really can't tell y'all if it works. And this is a medicated anti-dandruff shampoo which controls flaking and itching. I like this stuff so far. It hasn't even been a full week and it's my very first time using it. So I will update you guys, and either in my next lock day routine, sorry I'm spitting, or my next wash day routine. I don't know. I wash my hair with my medicated shampoo because sometimes if I wasn't using this and it's my first time using it, I would have been using the not the Head and Shoulders, what am I saying? I would have been using the Selsun Blue Maximum Strength. I think Courtney washes my hair with that twice, if I'm not mistaken. I think she washes my hair with my medicated shampoo twice, and then we move on to a regular shampoo. My shampoo of choice is this one. I've been using this shampoo for over a year now. I really like the shampoo, and I feel like I don't really know if this does anything for me, but what it says it's gonna do is amazing. So I use the shampoo and the conditioner, but this is the OGX Thick and Full Plus Biotin and Collagen Shampoo, and it says an exclusive blend with vitamin B7, biotin, collagen, and hydrolyzed wheat protein. Okay. Helps to infuse nutrients every strand and creates the appearance of thicker, fuller, healthier looking hair. And I love this shampoo and conditioner. We've been using it for over a year, Courtney and I've even recommended this for one of my clients because I'm a caregiver, and she was using this stuff and she has a perm and she still noticed a difference in her hair. This was really working. So I do recommend this conditioner and this shampoo, and then this brand in general. It's just amazing, and it's also sulfate free, so who doesn't love that? But But yes, this is the shampoo of choice that I like to use on my hair. And for conditioner, I go in and use the same exact matching conditioner, so that is not a secret. But yeah, I like to use these, and I'm personally, as a professional, and me being somebody who's now going into a professionalism of beauty and skincare, and like honestly retailing and products and ingredients as well, because that's something you learn as an esthetician. I have been really enjoying products, and I really realized that when a brand has a product that has a matching conditioner and a matching shampoo, I really think it's best that you use them together so you get the maximum benefit. So that's my choice. I know some people do like to mix and match their products, which I don't think is a problem, but I think that you will always get the best results taking the products and putting them together the way you're supposed to. So that's just a tip, because I use product, whenever I use a line, I'm using the entire line because I want the full benefits. Also, as far as conditioning, this is a big tip, because I learned this from my teacher. If a product tells you to leave it on your hair for a certain amount of time, leave it on your hair for that amount of time. It does. My teacher taught me that when a product says leave, like, okay, if you have a skincare mask and it says like, oh, leave your skincare mask on for 10 minutes. You don't need a second more than 10 minutes, because that product is going to do everything it needs to do in that time frame that it tells you to. That's why scientists study these products and stuff like that. So if they say, okay, leave this on for however many minutes, that product is going to work and do exactly what it says it's supposed to do in that time frame, and you don't have to leave it on a second more. With me having locks, and I know a lot of people with locks also don't condition their hair, which I think is a terrible thing. People with locks, it's like a myth going around. I don't know what the myth is. People with locks don't like to condition their hair. Please condition your hair, because your hair is still hair. It's no matter what form your hair is in, it is still hair. It still needs to be conditioned. It still needs to be shampooed. It still needs to be moisturized. It still needs to be all of that stuff. At the back of this bottle says wait 3 to 5 minutes before rinsing thoroughly, and me and Courtney do exactly that. And my hair is always very, very soft after conditioning, very, very everything that it's supposed to be after conditioning, and we leave it in for the exact recommended time. So the last step of my wash day routine after I'm completely done washing my hair and everything is rinsed out is to add a leave-in conditioner, because again, I have locks, and I feel like locks are more dry and more whatever than regular loose hair. So for me, it is mandatory for me to spray my hair with a leave-in conditioner, because it is just moisture. And on top of that, it sprays so wide that it gets all in your locks. It coats it more. Even though I do condition my hair with a real conditioner, I spray my hair with leave-in conditioner throughout the week, because it helps. It really, really, really helps. So the leave-in conditioner I love to use, which was in my, I think was in my lock hair care routine, is my Cream of Nature one. And I use any leave-in conditioner, but the favorite one, I like this stuff a lot. You can even just see the nutrients in there. Like it's creamy, it's moisturizing. I love this stuff. It works for me. It's $4.99, very, very cheap. And once I'm completely done with my wash day routine, that's when I get my hair done. And after that wash day routine, I got my hair like this, which is just 3-strand braids, plaits, regular plaits. But usually when I get lock plaits, I get it braided like a lot of locks into one braid. But this time she did 3 locks to each braid, so it's like literally 3 strands, which is amazing. So I can't wait to take these out and see how curly my hair is gonna be. I have 57 locks total, which divided into exactly 19 braids, so I am enjoying it a lot. But that is my full wash day routine. I wash my hair like a regular person, but I just wanted to let you guys know what I used, and hopefully this video wasn't too ratchet because it was in the kitchen sink. We're gonna give you guys a better quality one, but I'm hashtagging all my videos quarantine, because we in quarantine and we working what we got, but I still want to give you guys content and connect with you guys, and I know you guys want to see this stuff. So yeah, we will have an updated, better version, and maybe I'll try some new products as well in my next wash day routine. But yeah, that's everything I do to wash my hair and keep my hair clean. Hopefully you can try some of these products if you need them or want to try them, but I recommend everything, including this has shown me great results in a little bit of time that I have known it. But yeah, that's everything. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you want to see how I got this hairstyle, which is the very next style that I got right after getting my hair washed, stay tuned for my very next video. And also, if you want to see this makeup look, stay tuned for that as well. I recorded this makeup look today, but I think there's like 4 videos after, or 3 videos after this one, so stay tuned, but subscribe and you'll see it anyway. But yeah, thank you guys so much for your support. If you have any more lock videos or lock things or lock whatever that you want me to do, try, or see, you can hit me up on Instagram in my DMs, or you can hit me up in my email, which is linked to my YouTube account. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video again, and don't forget to rate, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video.